When making decisions, our brains use networks of neurons. To figure out what these neural networks are computing, a Stanford University team developed a new technique that can measure lots of neurons at the same time as an animal makes a decision. The optical tool can record activity across the entire top surface of a mouse's cerebral cortex. Scientists previously knew how to track brain activity when a neuron fires, but until now they didn't have an optical technique to record flashes of light from many neurons working together simultaneously across the cerebral cortex as a decision is made. The researchers who published their work in the journal Neuron created a bifocal microscope called Cosmos. They can see the entire curved surface of the brain in focus to get a full look at neural activity. The scientists are also using it to study sensory perception, which could help them develop psychiatric drugs.